Many students have reached out to us saying that they cannot complete their first quarter independent reading book project because a lot of their reading time in class was taken away either for the diagnostic assessment or for a DRA. Because of this, Mrs. Olmsted and I have created an alternative book project that you may complete. You may choose between doing the regular assignment or doing the alternative assignment based on how far you've already read in your book. Now, you'll still be responsible for completing this first page of your reading packet, where you'll list your title, your author, you'll list your predictions, where it says, what do you think the novel will be about? You can use clues from the title, cover, back cover, book jacket, or anything that you have read or heard about in the book. Write your predictions below. You also need to set a purpose for reading. What do you expect to find out as you read this novel? Write at least 2 purpose questions for this novel. You may choose to write up to 3. Then you need to complete the author spotlight. Share at least 2 interesting facts about the author. Think about what else they have published. Have they won any awards? Is your novel a part of the series? Does your author have any special connections to what they wrote about? And you'll include those here. This page is worth 5 points of the project. The other 15 points of the project will be in a slideshow. You would not be responsible for completing the during reading page or the after reading page. Instead, you would do this slideshow, the while reading reflection. You'll notice that this looks quite similar. There's tracing identity slides and then mirrors, windows, and doors. This second slide, you're going to list your name and the title of the text, and then you're going to answer these 3 questions. You'll notice that I've already implemented sentence starters for you. Feel free to input your character's name in these and finish the sentence as needed. In this page, this is about the connections that you've made to the character and the connections that you've made to the text. Again, there are also sentence starters that we want you to finish. The final page asks you to think about your book. Reflect on it. Is it a mirror, window, or door? If it is a mirror, you are able to see yourself. If it is a window, you're able to consider something that you have not before. If it's a door, where did you escape to an imagined new world or an imagined new world? You need to identify which one of these metaphors applies to your book. Identify that and explain here. What you'll do is you'll click this, you'll delete this, and you will start typing your answer here, where it says type here. Make sure that you write more than just a sentence. I would say 4 to 6 sentences is expected for this for full credit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, or we can schedule a Google Meet. Now, just to review, your assignment will be in Canvas. It'll look like this, and here's where you can find the alternative presentation. If you click this link, it'll come up asking if you want to make a copy. Make sure you put it in your ELA 8 folder. Again, you are responsible for the first page of the reading packet and the 3 slides of this slideshow instead of the last 2 pages of the packet. If you have any questions, please reach out.